The need for reform of the European Union is without doubt, but that need is far outweighed by the benefits that Wales receives in terms of higher education, our transport infrastructure, our agricultural sector, and of course support to deprived communities. We might argue that that support is not enough, but do any of us have any faith in the Westminster government, regardless of which party, doing any similar sort of redistribution of wealth? Wales requires unity and strength to defeat the threats posed by pulling out of the EU. Squabbling in both the Labour and the Conservative parties is not helpful in this regard, and so it's left to Plaid Cymru to put the case for Wales to remain as a member of the European Union. We oppose TTIP. We are in favour of reform to the procurement rules and to state aid rules to help Wales, but most of all we want Wales's voice to count, which is why we've said that all 4 constituent parts of the UK must have a say before the UK is allowed to pull out of membership of the European Union. One country shouldn't be allowed to pull out the others against their will. That would result in a deficit of democracy.